Yeah, can you explain it?
I'll explain it. So, if you've ever played the dinosaur game, when Google Chrome can't connect to the internet, then you kind of know it's the
This
same
is a very
type of
bad
game.
time for her to explain. She's concentrating very hard.
Yeah, it's very hard. So the obstacles are moving here. Every time I press this button, I am jumping over the obstacle before it gets to here, where the player will be placed. We actually have etched acrylic pieces that will represent the player. Don't know where they are, but they'll light up with these LEDs. So these are different frames of animation. The orange one being the jump, and these two being alternating between the two running frames. There's a display that shows the high score since the reset. So I got 35. It also says the name of the game. Has a little animation there. And there's a little tone that plays from a piezo speaker. It runs off of USB power. Yeah.
When are we going to see the final version?
So right now, it's a huge work in progress right now. We have the box that's going to be made, and then it's going to look basically finished. And at that point, I'm planning on just refining it and polishing it and working on the coding, because there's a lot of stuff that I want to do with this, like being able to put in a name if you get a high score, putting like your initials, 3 letters. I think that would be really awesome. I think that also I want to fix the jump, because it gets really unfairly difficult in later levels. I want to fix the jump length. So there's a lot I want to work on, but I think that by the beginning of next week it will be like finished and have a nice finished product.